Before you hook your laptop up, lift up the steel case lid and you can pull out the two different items depending on the port in your laptop. You can have this VGA, do you have that? That can plug into right here of your laptop. So this would get plugged in down to the bottom. And then the other type of display, it has this type of an end. So you have two choices to plug into your laptop. If you want the sound to come out of the flat screen television and not your laptop, inside of the steel case, you will see this cable. And on the front of it, it has the little sound icon. Plug this in into your laptop. And then on this item that you will plug into your laptop for the contents to be displayed up here, on the side you will see a little hole. Just plug that into here like this so you have the sound enabled. The sound will come out of the flat screen and not your laptop. Press the power button on, and then the contents from your laptop will be displayed up on the flat screen